Welcome back everybody to Miguel's Garage, and as you remember, this is my 1978 Mercedes 450 SL, and today I'm gonna walk you through redoing the entire interior in just 15 minutes. Let's get started. It is quite a different experience to work on these older cars. I mean, look at this little thing that goes over the transmission tunnel. It's a perfectly finished piece of carpet, but then it gets glued onto the tunnel there by itself. It's pretty much pieced together. Quite surprised by this. So far it's been quite a long road, and there's still so much more to go. As you can see, so far I've removed both of the front seats, most of the carpeting, and so next I'm trying to find somebody, an upholsterer, to redo the seats for me. That is going to be a lot of work in itself, and it takes good experience to do that. And so I could do it, but it'll rob me of so much time that it's probably better to just pay somebody. Next, I do have to start gluing the carpet in here. As you can see, I bought the carpet kit for this car specifically, and it's all made out of the original Mercedes material. And then after that, I got to work on the top as well. Okay, so now I can actually repaint this piece before putting it back in. That way it'll be brand new like the rest. Take a look at all the shit that one finds when we take the interior right out of a car. I mean, look at this stuff. I found this, the head cleaner for a cassette player. Some bubble gum, some covers, napkins, some old letters, and there's still more stuff in there. Don't they look good together? Now let me ask you this. If you found a wad of cash hidden in one of these old cars, would you return it? Put it in the comments below. So I've been trying to replace parts as I go along with newer ones, and this is an example of it. The little screws that go on the door sills were worn out, and so I'm replacing those with new stainless steel screws. So in good old Mercedes fashion, the plug for the radio isn't back here, but instead they have a cable that follows all the way into here to this adapter, and that's where you plug in the radio. Beautiful.
The disease, autoimmune disease works, because in autoimmune disease, your immune system attacks itself. Your immune system actually
So after struggling with it for a while, it's got the wrong rails. So I'm gonna have to take the seat back out and replace the rails with the old ones. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's pull the car out and show you the interior. Now follow me. Check this out, guys. Seats fully redone in MB-Tex leather. Oh, it smells so delicious. It feels great. And look at the interior, how clean everything is and how vibrant. The colors are just popping against the white exterior. It came out great. I'm ready to just go and hit the road and enjoy this new interior. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.